Hello, welcome to this course. This course is about ELF format. You might note already that ELF is the short name of execution and linking format. In Unix world, ELF is used widely for executable files and dynamic link libraries. In this course, you will learn what sections one ELF file consists of and how these sections play in the binary file execution and dynamic link. And we will also see how ELF supports dynamic link, multi-version symbols, and how symbol lookup works efficiently. In the meanwhile, this course will walk you through to development a simple ELF read program. With this development, you will understand the ELF format and its contents better. Finally, it would be my pleasure to see you in the course. Thank you.